Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Toronto. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Toronto. Also post your favorite season to go to Toronto in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Canada, and if you're looking forward to visit Toronto in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Toronto with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Toronto. Canada's largest city is as diverse, accessible, and cosmopolitan as you've heard. From culinary adventures to raucous sports matches and exciting cultural events, Toronto pleases visitors year-round. And whatever time of year you decide to visit, there's certain to be something going on here. The lakeside city has a reputation for frigid winters and steamy summers, but don't let temperature extremes ruin your expectations of this beautiful place. Here's all you need to know about the best times to visit Toronto. Best time to visit Toronto. The best time to visit Toronto is during summer and spring, which is from June to mid-September and from February to May. The temperature ranges from 15 degrees C to 23 degrees C in summer and from -2 degrees C to 16 degrees C in spring. The weather during these months is great for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Toronto sees the highest number of travelers during the summer season owing to the summer school breaks. Months of May to June, just before the rains arrive, is ideal for all the outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, biking, city touring. Toronto's weather in winter is freezing cold, but some city-based activities can be done, although many attractions are closed. Best time to visit Toronto with families and kids. Summer is the best time to discover Toronto if you are visiting the city with family and kids. During the summer one can enjoy a plethora of outdoor activities, attend festivals, explore the pedestrian markets, and visit amusement parks. Best time to visit Toronto for exploring Toronto Islands. Toronto has 3 famous islands named Wards, Centre, and Algonquin. All 3 are connected to each other bridges and boardwalks. One can even take a ferry ride and reach the destination easily. Visit the islands during summers and enjoy a plethora of beach activities. Best time to visit art events in Toronto. If you want to attend music, film, dance, and art events in Toronto, the best time to visit Toronto is in the spring and end of summer. The major festivals celebrated during this period are the Toronto International Film Festival and TIFF Kids Festival. Toronto travel seasons. High season in Toronto, June through mid-September. Toronto's high season is all summer long, from June through September, but especially in July and August. School is out in most of the US and Canada, and families flood the attractions. The city's biggest festivals are in full swing, and the streets lively up through the evenings, when temperatures cool down to offer a break from the day's heat and humidity. This is a fun time to visit for people who love outdoor activities and events and who prefer a party atmosphere over relaxation. Because of increased demand, prices on flights, hotels, and attractions will be at peak levels during these months. Shoulder season in Toronto, February through May, mid-September through mid-November. Spring and fall are great times to travel, offering low prices on transportation and accommodation, combined with comfortable weather. September and October perfect months for catching the colors of falling leaves, but avoid traveling during the weekend of Canadian Thanksgiving, the second Monday in October, as prices temporarily rise. The months of April and May offer warming temperatures, tulip blossoms, the first festivals of the year, and the reopening of seasonal attractions without the crowds of later peak months. Low season in Toronto, mid-November through January. Winter is Toronto's low season, running from November to March. Flights, hotels, and many attractions are available at reduced rates. Exceptions to this rule fall during Canadian Thanksgiving, second Monday in November, and Family Day weekend, third Monday in February. Though the temperature is low and the days are shorter, this is a great time to enjoy Toronto's world-class theaters, performing arts, museums, and other indoor activities. Many restaurants and bars have heated outdoor patios open year-round, unfazed by the most inclement weather. This is also a great time for cold weather outdoor activities like skiing and ice skating, or for taking in a Maple Leafs game. Climate seasons in Toronto. Summer season in Toronto. The season of summer in Toronto sees the warm temperature in end May and June, and by the end of July and August, the humidity increases as well. This is the peak season in Toronto, and the hotel prices, transportation, rent, and flight tickets have spiked prices. Toronto summer sees a lot of festivals of art, theater, movies, and music as well. Monsoon season in Toronto. Rainfall is scattered around the year, but July is the wettest month. May gets a lot of drizzle, but it is very little, in total count of millimeters. Winter season in Toronto. One cannot imagine sitting in warm countries. How cold is Toronto in winter? If you want to visit Toronto in winter, you must certainly pack enough layers of warm clothes. The temperature in December and January stays below freezing point throughout. However, it helps set the perfect ambience for a white Christmas season. Snowfall is common during the winters. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Toronto in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.